Okay, if two presidents' names were a rock and a hard place, I would have a really good joke here, but I don't have a good joke here. What's up, guys? It's Feliciotti, and today we're heading down to the abandoned president's heads to take some night photography. It's for a photo workshop, so it should be a lot of fun. I think there's gonna be like a lot of light painting and things like that. It also goes to like 11 p.m. and it's 2 hours away from DC, so I think it's gonna be a pretty long night. So a lot of other photographers we know got tickets, so we should see a lot of familiar faces.
They're from an old amusement park, and the guy bought them, has them on his land, kind of decaying there.
What do you have to say?
I love my dog.
We finally made it after a 4-hour drive. Angela's also here. And looks like we're about to be here at sunset, so it should be pretty awesome. We're gonna climb this giant mulch tower. Okay, this seems really dangerous. I'm shocked that they let us do this.
Shout outs to my presidents.
Okay, this is probably the most amount of drones I've ever seen in one place. There's one right there. Also, ironically, Lincoln's head in the back is broken. What do you think about drones, Zach?
Drones are pretty cool.
Guys love drones.
Okay, if two presidents' names were a rock and a hard place, I would have a really good joke here, but I don't have a good joke here. Whoops. Okay, I think that's why they made us sign a waiver here. So right now they're gonna do some light painting, so should be crispy. What do you think, Albert?
This is pretty cool. Can't wait.
Okay, he didn't seem too excited. So right now they're flying the drones over the heads here. It's pretty cool photos we're getting. Lots of light painting too. Also, Dave is lighting me right now.
You're welcome. Hi.
It's kind of creepy.
Hi, Andy.
Hey.
What are you gonna do today?
Hey. We're gonna go take some great night-long exposures. Night-long exposures.
With Elvis Presley?
Yes. We're gonna take some great night photos at the president's heads. You know, Mount Rushmore, ever heard of it? I've heard of it.